There's a cry in the silence, a heart left alone, a soul in the shadows, searching for home. We can't close our eyes, we can't turn away. God's calling His people to love today. It's more than words, it's more than prayer. It's showing His heart by being there. This is God's call for our hands to reach the lost, to heal this land, to touch a tear, a helping hand. We are His hope, we are His plan. Through every act His light will shine, transforming hearts, renewing minds. God's call for love, for change, for grace. Let His mercy fill every place. There's hunger and pain that the world can't hide, but heaven still whispers, be my guide. When we give what we have, no matter how small, it echoes His kingdom, His love for all. No gifts too simple, no step too small. When hearts are willing to give their all, this is God's call for our hands to reach the lost, to heal this land.
So mula po sa G-Code, yung God's Call for Community Outreach, Transformation and Enrichment, hanggang po sumusuporta po ang Jesus Christ, to God be the glory. Thank you po una sa Lord, pangalawa po sa inyong lahat na nagagandahan po mga lolo't lola natin nandito, at sa lahat po ng bumubuo at sumusuporta.
Ang pagtanda po natin ay isang bagay na di maiiwasan. Ngunit, mas ma-enjoy po natin ito kapag tayo po ay magsasanay na maging malusog sa pamagitan ng pagkain po ng tama, pag-iwas sa mga bawal.
The breath of life of God. Ayan ang hininga ng buhay ng Diyos na regalo sa inyo.
We are His plan. Through every act His light will shine, transforming hearts, renewing minds. God's call for love, for change, for grace. Let His mercy fill every place. When we stand with the broken.
Ang family altar is when your family will gather together to focus on God only. Through prayers, blessing one another, and by asking forgiveness. Kapag ka parati kang nasa tabi ng mga anak mo, naaamoy ka nila. Meron kang iniimit na smell that bonds you to them.
Pag-ibig po ng Diyos ang inialay. Kaya bawat isa po, bawat tao, nagkaroon po tayo ng opportunity para tayo po'y makakuha ng kaligtasan.
When we lift up the weak, we're the hands of Jesus to the ones He seeks. In every sorrow, in every need, we plant the seeds of eternity.
Nandito ang church, nandito ang mga ate at kuya, ang tawag sa kanila, new generation. Madami ko yung pwedeng takbuhan para malabanan yan. Para yung future ninyo dito sa mundo, hindi lang sa mundo, kahit sa langit, alam nyo, secured.
Pag hindi po natin iningatan lahat ng pinapanood natin at pinakikinggan natin at sinusundan natin, hindi tayo magkakaroon ng maayos na developmental stage. Mag-decide po kayo sino ang gusto nyong sundin. Yung mga influencer sa social media na nakikita nyo na maraming followers, o yung influencer na pwede nating sundan na hindi kilala masyado, pero kilala ng Diyos.
This is God's call for our hands to reach the lost, to heal this land. No act of love will fade away. It's heaven's work in hearts today. So let us...
Mula ulo hanggang paa, malinis yung ating katawan. At the same time, healthy.
Ito pa inirelate naman sa atin. O ikaw naman bilang tao, papaano mo naman malalaman kung malinis o hindi ang pagkatao ng isang tao? Kailangan kasama nyo lagi si Lord.
We are His hands, we are His feet, carrying grace where hearts still believe. God's call for love will never end.
Sigaw mo sa
hangin, tumidig at magsilbi. Liwanag sa dilim.
Ang bagong awitin.
Liwanag.
Sabi ko na nga ba, ikaw ang kailangan ko. Ikaw na ang buhay ko. Dapat tanggapin ang hilahin sa buhay mo.
Kung si Adan sa isang tao nagkasala, sa pamamagitan din ng Diyos na nagkatawan tao, ang ating Panginoong Jesucristo, yung kasalanan po na yan, pinawi sa pamamagitan ng pag-ibig ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo.
And it starts again.
We are coming in the community to make an impact of spiritual transformation. We're trying to help the community, teenagers, parents, seniors, tsaka mga children na ma-introduce sa kanila ang ating Panginoon.
And it starts again.